What's up, guys? Today I figured I would show you how to back up any Android phone using a OTG cable. So at this end we have our C connector, male, and then a female type A connector. And we have a USB stick. So what we're going to go ahead and do is format, if it's not already in FAT32, you're going to plug it into your computer, format it to FAT32, and then you're going to go ahead and install it into your OTG cable. I'm going to take our phone, we're going to plug the C side in there, and then let's get this in frame. From there we're going to click on settings, and then from there we're going to click on accounts and backup. We're going to click external storage transfer. Now you can see I have an SD card in and it's showing our USB storage, so we're going to click on that. But before we go any further, let's back up a minute. Let's go to My Files, and then let's go to the USB storage 1. Click on the dots. You're going to see Unmount and Format. So you're going to click Format. This is going to format it and enable it to work with the Android. It's just a safety precaution. And then we'll go ahead and click back. And then we're going to have to click on storage. So I don't want to click everything. I want to do custom, then we're going to click next, and then we're going to click all. And on my SD card, I have that backed up separate, so we're just going to deselect that. And then we're going to click backup. Now I just ignored the Google or Samsung Cloud. I don't like that shit. And we're going to click OK. We're going to click skip, and now you're going to see it start to back up. You're going to click keep screen on. I like to keep the screen on. You don't have to, but if there's a problem you'll be notified. So in 8 minutes we're going to check back, and we'll show you how to unmount the USB stick from the phone, because if you don't, then your phone pesters you. Oh, it wasn't, unmounted correctly. You got to restart your phone. Okay, so we finished backing it up. You can see backup results, how much it backed up, how many items, and 25 apps, messages, home screen, and audio. We click next. And now we click done. From there we're going to go back into My Files, and we're going to select that USB storage 1. We're going to click unmount. Now you can disconnect your USB from the OTG cable. And we'll pan up to the computer screen and show you what it backed up. Samsung Smart Switch, I used to use that an awful lot, and I liked it because what I would do is I would go into hidden files under apps, users apps, and then I'd go to Samsung, copy the backup file, and put it to a USB stick. However, Samsung, like the assholes they are, they had to go and fuck something that was perfectly fine up, and now you can't do it that way. So now you got to do it this way. Okay, so if we scroll over to our USB drive, you can see this is what it backed up. That one's empty, but you're still going to need it. And then you can see backup media here, and that's successfully backed up. So if we wanted to restore this, let's pan back down to the phone. Okay, so we come over, we tap settings, and then we'll go accounts and backup, external storage transfer, and then we're going to restore from USB and we're going to tap on, you saw March 23rd, 2023 at 1:13 a.m. and then you can do everything because that's what it is. Next, and then it will restore everything that you need to have restored. Alright, so once it's done, you go to home screen, and everything else is, you know, completely backed up. I see it copied another smart switch here, which I'm not quite sure why it did that. But anyway, that is how you do it. So I did happen to click smart switch, and it's organizing and transfer data. So it says 2 minutes left. I figured I would add that in here, as this is actually the first time I'm trying to make a backup this way, since I found out smart switch is different and doesn't let me back up the way I like to back things up. Alright, so it says data restored results, 25 apps, messages, home screen, audio. Click next. All set, done. Back to the home screen.